Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Libara SIM card in France. First, insert the SIM card into your phone and restart your device. Next, go to the official Libara France website or open the My Libara app to complete your mandatory registration. You'll need to enter your mobile number and personal details to verify your SIM. Once your registration is complete, log in to your My Libara account either on the website or app and choose a plan to activate. After purchasing a plan, your Libara SIM will be fully activated and ready to use for calls, texts, and data. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Libara France SIM card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.